Hi, I'm Tom Ewing, and this is Riverstone's 421 FK front kitchen. The front of this unit has a 24K Rotoflex pin box, rides on a rubber pad, complemented by the Road Armor rubber suspension on the rear. The front compartment is generator ready. You can get it with an optional generator from the factory, or you can add the generator later at any point. Coming back here, you'll see two 40-pound LP tanks standard. This coach has a lot of storage. This is the pass-through storage with access on either side, a glass door with a window. This unit has the optional outside TV, and you can see even more storage with pass-through storage here as well. The rear of the coach has a slide tray, 800-pound capacity. You can see here a hitch meant to carry a bike rack or something like that. Ladder, electric cord reel, just push a button and it rolls up. More storage on this side as well. Here you can see the three 7,000-pound axles riding on the Road Armor rubber suspension. 17.5-inch H-range tires. Most fifth wheels are 16-inch G-range. Here you can see the Truma water heater, instant hot, 60,000 BTUs, gives you instant hot water. Here you'll see our 40,000 BTU furnace. The basement of this coach, where the water tank and holding tanks are, is ducted. The furnace heats that. There are also electric heat pads on the tanks, so when you're driving down the road, the truck will heat the tanks as well. The other side of the pass-through storage here. Here you can see the battery trays. This will accommodate 4 6-volt batteries or 4 12-volt batteries. Before we go inside, I want you to take a look at the paint. This coach has the Legacy package, which includes full body paint. The beautiful thing is there's 4 coats of clear coat on this full body paint. Now stepping in, I want you to see this is a 32 by 78-inch door. So tall people aren't necessarily going to skid their heads walking in. We're going to walk up into the front kitchen. Lots of workspace, solid surface countertops, residential oven and range, microwave with an air fryer, 18.5 cubic foot residential refrigerator. And here you see a Fisher Paykel dishwasher. Name brand has a heated dryer. Most RV dishwashers are drip dry. This is a Fisher Paykel dishwasher with a heater. Big sink. Again, you can see the oven and range. The breakfast counter, looking at the TV. Everybody in this coach can see the TV, whether you're in the living space, in the kitchen, or eating. Going forward, you'll see the standard theater seating, height of bed, and a desk. 65-inch TV, soundbar, fireplace that actually puts out 5,500 BTUs. Coming back, going to the bathroom. See, we have a porcelain toilet, double sinks, and a nice shower. In the bedroom, you see we have a king-size bed, wardrobe with a cordless vacuum. And here you can see washer and dryer. Standard TV in the bedroom. That's our 421 FK.